Most people see this and just close the tab. Nested square roots inside square roots. No calculator allowed, it looks impossible. But hidden inside this ugly expression is a secret so clean that it will make you question every sad problem you've ever seen. By the end of this video, you will solve this in your head. No calculators, no decimals, just one elegant idea. Let us begin. Let's look at the problem properly. Find the value of this square root of 5 plus 2 root of 6 plus square root of 5 minus 2 root of 6. Your first instinct might be to just square the whole thing to get rid of the square root, but that creates a messy cross term you have to deal with. You haven't just escaped the nested radical. Instead of attacking the sum head-on, we term each square root separately first. Here is the key identity pattern that unlocks this problem. The root of a plus the root of b all squared equals a plus b plus 2 root of ab. Notice the shape on the right, a number plus 2 root of a number. And that is exactly the shape we have in our problem. So we compare that to our expression 5 plus 2 root of 6. We need two numbers whose sum is 5 and whose product is 6. A quick check of the factor pairs of 6 gives us the answer instantly, 2 and 3. Let's use those two numbers, 2 and 3, to rewrite our first square root. 5 plus 2 root of 6 is the same as 2 plus 3 plus 2 the root of 2 multiplied by 3, which is exactly the root of 2 in bracket squared plus the root of 3 in bracket squared plus 2 the root of 2 multiplied by the root of 3. And that is a perfect square, the root of 2 plus the root of 3 in bracket squared. Take the square root on both sides and the nested radical is gone. The root of 5 plus the root of 6 equals the root of 2 plus the root of 3. 1 down, 1 to go. Now the second square root, 5 minus 2 root of 6, same trick, but watch the signs carefully. The root of a minus the root of b in bracket squared equals a plus b minus 2 root of a b. So 5 minus 2 root of 6 becomes 2 plus 3 minus 2 root of 2 multiplied by 3. And this factors perfectly into the root of 3 minus the root of 2 in bracket squared. But why the root of 3 minus the root of 2 and not the root of 2 minus the root of 3? Because square roots are never negative, and root of 3 is bigger than the root of 2. So the root of 5 minus 2 the root of 6 equals the root of 3 minus the root of 2. Now, for the moment of truth, let's put back all the simplified pieces together. That is the root of 2 plus the root of 3 plus, in bracket, the root of 3 minus the root of 2. Watch closely. The positive root of 2 and the negative root of 2, they cancel completely.
Aha!
And what is left is the root of 3 plus the root of 3, and that is simply 2 root of 3. A wall of nested square root collapses into 2 root of 3, and that is the entire secret.
Wow!
Let's double check with decimals just to be sure. The original expression works out to approximately 3.464, and 2 root of 3 works out perfectly to approximately 3.464. Perfect match. Let's recap the method. Step 1. When you see a nested surd, don't attack the whole expression head-on. Step 2. Make each shape to a number plus 2 root of a number. Step 3. Find two numbers whose sum and product matches. Step 4. Rewrite it as a perfect square, then simplify and square it. Step number 5. Always simplify each surd before combining them. The problem that looked absolutely impossible solved with nothing but one simple idea.
If you enjoyed this challenge, subscribe to Math Rhino